Good afternoon, students. We would be discussing some more properties of union and intersection of two sets and then De Morgan's laws in set theory. If we have a set A and if we take its intersection with B, then we know it contains all elements which are in A and in B. A intersection B, if I draw a Venn diagram, we all know that this is A intersection B. This will be B intersection A also. That is, intersection is commutative. Also, if I see union, simultaneously if I discuss properties of union, here I am discussing properties of intersection of two sets, and this side I am discussing properties of union of two sets. So if I have A union B, your Venn diagram tells you whether the properties are true or not, and you can understand better when you draw the diagram. So this is A union B and this would be B union A also. So A union B is same as B union A. That is, the union of two sets is also commutative, intersection is also commutative. If I take intersection of a set with empty set, what's common between a set and an empty set? Would be empty set. And if I take A union empty set, intersection of empty set with any set is empty because it has to be in both. This A union phi, all elements of A, and phi of course has no other elements, so it would be A, right? Then if I see this A intersection B intersection C, I am discussing associative property. So if I have to discuss A intersection B intersection C, associative property for intersection, and I would be drawing again the Venn diagram. So first is A intersection B intersection C. So what I will do is I will first shade B intersection C portion. This is A, this is B, this is C. I will be shading B intersection C, which is this, right? And then its intersection with A, this is A. So it would be this portion. The darkened portion is the final output. That's the final result. A intersection B intersection C is this portion. Everybody, all of you see carefully. It is this. Now, I want to discuss whether it is same as A intersection B intersection A intersection C. So again I am going to draw a Venn diagram with three sets A, B and C. Yes, I will first shade A intersection B. So A intersection B is this. Then I will shade A intersection C. A intersection C is this. And intersection of both, that is common part between both, and you find it is the same as the earlier diagram. That is, intersection is associative. That is, intersection is associative, right? Same way, if you see union, A union B union C. Now I think you all should be able to draw the Venn diagrams on your own and understand. I have drawn for this. You draw for this. A union B union A union C. That is, union is also associative. Intersection is associative. Union is also associative. Then the next property which I would be discussing is whether intersection distributes over union or not. So if I have again three sets A, B and C. So A intersection B union C I will be drawing again A, B, C. For left hand side I am drawing the diagram A, B and C. Yes. Now I will first shade B union C because that's in the bracket. So this is B union C. Yes. And now you want its intersection with A. So if you see, intersection with A would be this portion. Yes, it is this for which I am drawing the boundary. Yes, this is the final output. We are working on distributive property. So I want to find whether it is same as A intersection B union A intersection C, whether intersection distributes over union or not. Again, I am going to draw the diagram and find out whether they are going to be same or different. A, B and C. Now A intersection B is this. Yes. Then I want A intersection C. It is this. Yes. And I want union of it. That means all the portion. Right. That is we have the same part as the union. It is this. Right. That is both are equal. That means intersection distributes over union. I want you all to find out whether union distributes over intersection or not. That is A union B intersection C, whether it is A union B intersection A union C or not. You all first systematically take left hand side, draw the diagram. Then take right hand side, draw the diagram and then write your conclusion whether it is same or not and find out whether union distributes over intersection or not, right? But yes, intersection distributes over union. Intersection and union are both associative as well as commutative. And we have discussed A intersection phi, A union phi and so on, right? These are the properties of union and intersection of two or more sets. Thank you.